the birds of paradise here inside the West Edmonton Mall.
Boat, and that's for $20 per boat, and you can actually put the kid in the middle. Enjoy, guys! Enjoy! Oh, what's so cute for that, isn't it? Aww, that's so nice!
They have these beautiful paddle boat swans. The boat ride is $20 and maximum of 2 adults, and you can also include 1 kid that will be sitting on the middle. Life jackets are all provided. My family enjoys seeing the view of the deep sea adventure lake.
And they're here! They're ready for the swan! Okay, which color of the swan are they gonna take? Hi, Kuya Mac! Enjoy! Enjoy! Go, Inay! Go, Kuya Marco! Enjoy, guys! Bye, guys! And they are stuck, everyone. They are stuck. Vin, I'm here. Hi. They're having fun. I think it's really fun. It's way too fun. Are you guys stuck again? Pagod saan nakakapag-jack.
Sama na kami.
Si Inay, tawa ng tawa. Hi guys! Hi! Sama si Marco. Pagod din naman si Marco eh. Tawag siya pa ba eh? Hey! Was it good, Kuya Matt? Good? Hi everyone, how was it? And they are done with the experience. And they had fun. Yeah, we can see it in their faces. They totally had fun. How was it? How was it? Good? Good? Yeah? Good, Kuya Marco? Kuya Marco is sweating so bad. Good, Inay, good?
Thank you for watching and ciao!